What's up, guys? Welcome to Minnesota Fishing Opener 2026. My good friends Jaden and Noah.
How far out should I go?
It's a question I don't really have an answer to. There's no right or wrong. It's more on vibes.
You have a fucking fish?
I got a fish immediately.
Well, I guess leeches might be the way.
That's a walleye, I believe. No, I don't think it is actually. I don't know. I don't know what we got.
Oh, it's a bass.
You can only reel up. This is all I got.
You recording?
I am recording.
Yeah. You want the net?
I mean, that'll work. Thank you, sir. All right, first fish of fishing opener. Minnesota fishing opener. Was fishing all of about 3 seconds. Beauty of a bass. We're looking for walleye though.
Huh?
Oh yeah, you'll know if there's a fish on. Just start reeling her in. But if you're getting little taps, that's when you want to give them a little line.
Give them a little line every time.
See, I just got hit there. I got a fish.
No, that's you. You gotta grab the net real line.
It's a bass. Good net job, sir.
Sir, good fish, sir.
Another nice bass too. Barely hooked. Now that was a nice little tap. This might be promising. Yep.
You know what?
I don't know if it was a walleye, but I guess we'll figure that out. It's a pike.
It's a pike.
It's a pike.
Holy shit. Oh, we netting pike now. I know we wouldn't typically, net a pike, but
Weird looking walleye.
got 3 goddamn fish. I did miss one, but that's why I wanted to give.
Noah's hooked up. First fish of the day for Mr. Noah. Looks like a pike.
Yep. I can't reel up anymore. So.
Yep, just drag your rod this way. Jaden's hooked back up. It's under the boat right now. What do we got going here? Another pike. Nice little pike. I guess he's going for the dinner plate selection.
Yeah. About this one?
That one's going back.
Can I get it on camera?
Yeah. Good job, gentlemen. Actually feels like a fairly nice fish. It's up again here. Pretty big bass. Damn. On the Lindy. Yeah, she's a beaut. Take a quick video. Still no walleye, but a beauty of a bass off the Lindy. Put them back. We're hooked up again here on the GSB. Another bass.
Bass?
Yes, sir. It is a bass.
Is this a little one?
Yeah.
This a little guy.
Yeah. God, he was hooked really good. GSB giant. Yep. Catching some pigs on the Lindy's. That's a gorgeous bass, man. Sheesh. The walleyes look fucking weird out here on the GSB.
Dude, there's something's going on. Another eater?
That's crazy, bro.
All right, guys. We just went and took like a little lunch break, you know, maybe I took a nap, I don't know. But we went out this morning. Now we are casting. So no more trolling for now, probably until later this evening, but we're gonna be casting for some bass. So I don't know if we're gonna catch any. We're gonna catch some. Anyways, I'll catch up with you on this GoPro.
So we're casting now?
Yeah, we're just starting to cast here. Got the chatterbait rigged up, same one I used in the last video. I haven't even retied, so see what we catch. Oh, here's a fish. We got a fish, baby. Oh, just a beaut. Smoked it.
That's a beaut. Yeah, big belly.
Oh my god. We're on the we're on the GSB. We're slaying hog. We're cranking hog on the GSB. We'll get him back.
Hey, you answer.
Cowabunga, crackers.
I don't think it's a wally.
That's a good sized bass.
You got him? You want me to grab your rod?
Oh yeah. Maybe not.
He ain't no giant, but it's a nice bass right there, brother.
Let's wait to it. Here, no, I know you don't catch these on what you got there, but maybe that'll help. That might do the trick. Thanks, Jaden. I know you catch the white tips. Yeah. Yeah. That's
What about the
unusual.
red tips?
Oh yeah, get a little tarp.
Warming the lake up one piss at a time. Getting these fish to be active. Noah's hooked up. Nice bass. Yeah, you can just pull that one right in.
Oh no.
Just a little guy.
Oh baby.
We'll take it.
Nope. Fish off.
Fish off.
Fish got off on that.
We're gonna get a bigger one. No worries there.
Fish got off on that. That's right, Jaden.
The fish got off on Noah.
I'm never gonna get into that, will I?
It's alright, we got another one. Next
I'm
cast.
in the middle of the goddamn bay?
They're in the fucking middle, bro. Oh, he was hardly hooked. Old Pikerton, going back.
The bottom, they tear up all the fucking weeds. Well, annoying as shit, actually.
There's a fish.
Little guy. That's a big jump for him.
He's amped up, if you can't tell.
He's ready to make some babies.
He is ready to make babies. Oh, he's barely hooked. Going back. Oh, a beaut.
Oh,
A beauty.
beautiful.
Nothing insane,
No,
but a
but-
great bass.
Honestly, good for the day.
That's right.
Kind of what we've been catching all day. So.
Oh, the wind has died down. Oh, that was instant.
Yeah, that's kind of what mine was. Need a hand or you?
No, that was badass. This guy is fucking jumping.
I was just trying to put a lip pillow in.
Well, I was just trying to cast, and this guy was like, hell no.
That's how mine was too. It was instant.
That was sweet. Just a beauty. Absolutely smoked it off the cast.
Holy pizza.
Well, it's because
Two for two.
2 for 2.
Back-to-back cast, baby.
Because your rod tip was not up and I could not tell what the fuck was going on. Oh, that's a chunker.
Yeah.
That is a nicer one. All right, we started casting. Hooked into our probably biggest one, at least for me, of the day. But a nice bass here. We're gonna bring him back. GS fucking B, baby, come on. Sorry, I got a little too amped up there. GSB, we're catching big fish. No walleyes, but big fish on the GSB. Walleyes will come tonight. Just watch.
I mean, no wind, and I'll be able to actually fish.
3 for
Fuck
3.
you.
3 for 3.
You're
We're fucking
shit for that.
hammering them, bro. Come on. Hey, I got it here.
Ooh. A chunker.
The other one was bigger, but yeah. Just hammering them with this chatterbait. Beauty.
Trying to crank over it.
I'm out of booze, so I had to start catching fish. No one's hooked up. Nice,
That was a good one.
nice bass. Here, I can lip them if you bring them close. Yes, sir. Good bass, Noah.
Thanks.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, we got him. We got him.
You?
Yep.
Oh, it is a bass. Wow. It's not bad. It looks like
It's a nice bass
I was
too.
gonna say, that is pretty big. I don't know what you're talking about.
Like I said, my vision is skewed after last weekend. Gorgeous bass on the chatterbait. Going back.
Looks pretty tasty to me.
We cannot keep bass.
What did you hit?
Beauty. Just whoa, 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 whoa. Tiny fish on there. It's so tiny. Can reel him right up.
Oh yeah.
What's up?
Just a baby.
What's up, big dog? It's a calling your short friend Stretch. He's out of here.
Oh, yeah, that's a beauty.
Another eater. Let me grab the net here. Just keep him on. keep them nice and friendly.
It's an eater.
You want to keep another one or no?
I got him.
I mean, he's same size as the other two we got. Just open your bail and set your rod down. Jaden's got one too. All right, well, yeah, you gotta grab that fucker first. Jaden's got one here. Noah's got one here.
Don't you fucking dare.
There. You don't need it. Okay.
Wow, open my bail though.
Yeah, I can do that. Throw that one back.
There we go.
Okay. Gotcha.
Second I fucking let go of his eyes, he's gonna go nuts. So.
Okay, let's just wait. So I'm not locked.
You got
in.
it. Okay.
What a beaut. He's going back right to the lake.
Looks tasty.
That's for another day.
He doesn't look tasty at all, actually. I mean, nothing massive, but I will take it. All right, I got mine out. He's looking a little rough.
Alec. Cheers, brother.
Noah's here. Jaden's here. We're catching him. That's for sure.
Jaden needs help, I think.
Nah, he's good. Dang. Well, Noah takes a piss. He's a giant walleye.
Actually, he was a walleye.
He was.
Transformed. These are what you call were walleye.
Right.
These are were walleyes.
You
So
wanna-
it's like when the moonlight. You want me to hold them? When the moonlight.
Trying to sneeze quick, bro.
Dude, he's like, what the hell's going on? All right. Well, when the sunlight comes.
I gotta sneeze again. Go for it, go for it, go for it.
I can't even do the bit right now.
I really had to sneeze.
So you know, like the werewolf, when the moonlight comes out, he transforms from a man to a wolf. But when the sunlight is out, the bass transform into a walleye.
Hey, and here's what I
And vice versa.
And vice versa.
Here's what I have to say to that.
Nice.
This is a sober day on the GSB. We're gonna go catch some walleye now though, so.
Yeah, we got our little mental break in. It's probably time to go trolling again, see if we can catch some big freaking walleye.
Jaden?
Or any walleye, really.
Yeah.
Little gruesome, but we got one northern filleted up, working on the second one. There's the third one. The walleye dream isn't dead. We're gonna go back out, but this will probably be dinner. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the last couple hours of opener evening here. We're gonna go out for some walleye. We tried this morning, didn't catch any walleye, so hopefully tonight we can catch at least one or two. But gonna be Lindy rigging. You'll see if we catch anything.
Taking on my bait.
Beauty,
Beauty.
right on the sunset.
Oh, does it look good?
Hold on, let me.
Oh, it looks so good.
It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
That's how we do it. On the GSB.
On the
Son.
GSB, baby.
Oh, beauty.
Wait. There we go. Nice little bass.
Just another one. Not a walleye though.
The walleye have been tough to come by. No, he says. All right, I'm ready, good sir. Looks like we ate his brother and sister.
Why? Why are you here? you.
Nice pike. Might be the last fish of the night, who knows?
I don't know, we already ate his buddy, so.
We ate about 3 to 5 that size. Barely hooked, apparently.
Yeah. Got him right in the net and hooked him out.
Barely hooked. Hopefully it isn't my last fish of the night, but another nice bass. We'll get him back. We got fishing to do, so I can't mess around and take a bunch of pictures.
Oh my God, a walleye! Oh my God, a walleye!
It's massive.
Holy shit, it's a walleye! Got a walleye on!
Yes.
Holy cow!
Barely.
Beautiful walleye.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that sounds a lot better.
I also forgot to make an outro. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.